What's going on, everybody? My name is Owen Pyatt. I'm an Atlassian consultant and solutions architect here with XPM, a Valiantis company. As a Platinum Solution Partner, we offer a host of services, one of those services being keeping you in the loop. So join me today as we dive into the tool and see what's new with Jira Service Management. All right, everybody. So today we're going to be going over some new features and capabilities with Jira Service Management. Now, there have been some exciting updates to JSM over the past few months, and one of those being the ability to now switch out not only the workflow, but also the issue type associated to each request type. So here I am in my project settings under my request types tab there on the left-hand sidebar. And we see that we're prompted with our list of request types and our list of associated issue types, and then our portal groups. So if I was to hover over our ellipses here, go ahead and select that, we see that we're presented with this new button that says Replace Workflow. Let's go ahead and follow that trail. So here we are on our Replace Workflow screen. So first off, if we were to select Workflow, this drop down here, we'd be prompted with each workflow that's associated to the project. But before we do that, let's see what we're prompted with when we select Change Issue Type. So we see that we're only prompted with a few options here, and that's because these are the only options that are associated to the current workflow. So let's go ahead and switch out to our test workflow and see what happens. So we see that the issue automatically updated to new issue type. So let's go ahead and update that. And we see that we're then prompted with our screen for how to map the current issues that are open. Because in the previous workflow, our escalate status was named escalated, and now it's named escalate. So we see escalated. We're going to go down and select escalate to remap. And so you would have to do this for each of the respective statuses that are different. So sometimes this can get a little bit confusing if the workflows are completely different. We'll go ahead and hit confirm. Wait for that to load. Then we'll go back out to our request types, and we'll see that we have officially updated the issue type as well as the workflow associated to that request type. Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining us today. If you have any questions related to this video or any other features of JSM or Jira, please feel free to reach out to me via email or connect with me on LinkedIn. Thanks.